guys, and welcome to your first XHTML and CSS tutorial. Okay, as you probably well know, in this episode it's probably going to be quite short, not too much into it, just to start you off so we can go from here and then get everything sorted and get into it so you can become pro web designers. Okay, in order to make your own website or web page, you can use this. If it opens, Notepad. Now you can use this, you can put all sorts of codes in here, but it's really bland, not much going on, so no, you can go away. What we want is this. Now if you type in here this, or you can just type into Google, you can just type in Notepad++, and there you can just go ahead and do that. Then you should get to this lovely web page right here. Now you can look down the side here at all this, and right here you can download the current version. Now depending on when you're watching this, whether you're watching it in the future or maybe even the past, I have no idea whether you invented time travel yet or not, and if you have, why the heck are you watching these videos? Anyway, you can download the current version there. You just give that one of them lovely clicks, and here you see a lovely rounded download button. Click on that and wait for it to download. Oops. Okay, so once you've got it downloaded, you click on it and it should come up with select your language. Now it doesn't always start with what is that? Korean, Chinese, Japanese? I don't know. And quite frankly, I don't care. Find English, because I'm English, and if you're not and you can't speak English, choose your language. And how the heck do you understand what I'm saying, for one? Anyway, let's click next, and that is beautiful, I agree. Hopefully. Another next. All the defaults. Fucking awesome. Create a short. Oh, that didn't happen last time. Yep, we want to. Click it! We want to create a shortcut on the desktop so we can click it and get there instantly. Now let's just go ahead and wait for this to be installed. Okay, so when it's done, you'll click off that. We'll finish. Right, we're done. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to go from here. We can find your sorry. You can find Notepad++ on here. You'll see some sort of little chameleon lizard looking thing. Give that a click, and this is what it looks like. Let me just put that in nice place. Okay. Yep, and we'll open that up. Now this is what it looks like. Now here is where all your coding is going to go. You've got tons of options. It's nicely set out. Yeah, it's a lot easier to use. Now what we're just going to put here is just to remind ourselves, we're just going to call this XHTML. Alright, that obviously isn't required, you don't need that to actually do anything, but I'm just going to put that there just for ease of use. I'm going to save that as, I don't want to save it in the language area, thank you very much. We'll save it in documents. I'll call you what that is. But anyway, so we can call this. Now here you're going to see normal file, normal text file. Now this is not what you want. You want hypertext markup language file, which obviously stands for HTML. So you give that a click. There you go. Save. Bottom. It is done. Now in the next video, I'm going to teach you all the kind of tags that you'll need, and yeah, pretty much everything you'll need to know will be in the next video. Not everything obviously, because it's going to be lessons, but just to start you off, just to get the basics going. You will know them by the end of the next video. Now hopefully you've got all this Notepad++ stuff sorted out and it's all good, and I look forward to speaking to my computer in the next video, which will come across as me speaking to you. So enjoy yourself.